By the end of the video, you will know about how to work out at the gym, focusing on effective exercises and tips to maximize your gym sessions for fitness and strength gains. Introduction to gym workouts. Going to the gym offers a variety of equipment and setups to target different muscle groups and fitness goals. Whether you're new to the gym or looking to optimize your routine, here's a comprehensive guide to get you started. Gym workout essentials *1. Warm-up routine *. Begin with a 5 to 10 minute cardio warm-up treadmill, elliptical, or stationary bike. Dynamic stretches to activate muscles, leg swings, arm circles, and bodyweight squats. *2. Resistance training *. Compound exercises *. Squats, deadlifts, bench presses, and pull-ups. *. Isolation exercises *. Bicep curls, tricep extensions, calf raises, and lateral raises. Equipment *. Utilize machines, free weights, and resistance bands. *3. Cardiovascular exercises *. Incorporate cardio sessions, running, cycling, rowing, or using the stair climber. Aim for 20 to 30 minutes of moderate to high intensity cardio, depending on your fitness level and goals. *4. Core and flexibility *. Core workouts, planks, crunches, and Russian twists. Stretching exercises, yoga poses, or static stretches post-workout to improve flexibility and reduce muscle soreness. Gym workout plan *1. Upper body workout *. Bench press, 3 sets of 8 to 12 reps. Lat pull down, 3 sets of 10 to 15 reps. Shoulder press, 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps. Bicep curls, 3 sets of 12 to 15 reps. Tricep dips, 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps *2. Lower body workout *. Squats, 3 sets of 8 to 12 reps. Deadlifts, 3 sets of 8 to 10 reps. Leg press, 3 sets of 12 to 15 reps. Leg curls, 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps. Calf raises, 3 sets of 15 to 20 reps *3. Full body circuit *. Perform each exercise for 1 minute, resting 30 seconds between exercises. Push-ups, bodyweight squats, plank, mountain climbers, jumping jacks. *. Your support fuels my passion for creating valuable health and fitness content. Hit that like button and subscribe to keep the motivation going and unlock more inspiring videos, just like this one. Nutrition and recovery *1 second lesson. Maximize gains with Dymatize ISO 100 and Optimum Nutrition Gold Standard Whey. Gluten-free, high-protein blends for muscle growth. Links in the description. Elevate your fitness game. Let's continue a video's main topic. Final thoughts. Consistency and dedication are key to achieving your fitness goals at the gym. Adjust your workout routine based on your progress and listen to your body for optimal results. Enjoy your gym sessions and embrace the journey towards a healthier, stronger you.